Here we have a 2004 E46 M3. Just did the oil change. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to reset the button. So right now the car's off. What you want to do is hold this button, hold it for about 5 seconds. And then what you want to do is you want to get the ignition key, stick it in. It's gonna say test, reset, let go. And go ahead and hit it again. Alright, now it's blinking. Hit it one more time. And it should be good. There you go, it says end. Go ahead and take the key out. Stick it in. And that's how many miles I got left to my next oil change.